Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Disney Princess fans. Today I am going to show you how to achieve the iconic Cinderella bun. This hairstyle is perfect for any formal event or even just a day out when you want to feel like a true princess. So guys, first start by brushing your hair to remove any tangles. Next, gather all your hairs into a high ponytail and secure it with an elastic band. Make sure it's tight so the bun stay in place. Now take the ponytail and twist it around the base to form a bun shape. Use bobby pin to secure any loose stands and make sure the bun is tight and secure. To add some extra flair to your Cinderella bun, you can add a tiara or other hair accessories. This will give you your hairstyle that extra royal touch, and there you have it, the perfect Cinderella bun that will make you feel like a true Disney princess. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more Disney princess inspired hairstyle, guys. So guys, thank you for turning it to my video. I appreciate all the support and feedback you will given me so far. I am always looking for new ideas and topic to cover, so I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comment what you want to see in my video, and I want to make sure I am creating content that you found valuable and informative. Whether it's a tutorial, a review, or just a fun blog, I am open to suggestions, so don't be shy. Let me know what you are interested in, and if you have not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on this any of my future video. I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching and support my channel, and let's keep the conversation going and create some awesome content together. Bye, take care guys, till then.